and welcome back to my channel, or if this is the first video of mine you are seeing, then welcome. Today I just wanted to sit down and do a look with the Urban Decay Naked Metal Mania palette. I haven't used this palette yet. I did pick this up at TJ Maxx and I haven't used it, but I am dying to try out these two shades right here. I want to kind of do like a pretty silver plummy look with this palette today. So if that sounds interesting, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start with the shade Sound Tower, and I'm going to take that on a blending brush from e.l.f. Okay, and then I'm just going to take that and I'm going to start running that into my crease. I wiped my brush off some. I think I picked up a little too much. I'm just going to start working that into my crease. I just kind of wanted this shade down first. To me, those two shades in this palette are just so stunning. Those two, and then that Decadent shade, which is that pretty gold, but I really wanted to do a plum and silver look. And using that same brush, I'm going in with the shade Double Kick. This shade looks like it has some shimmer into it, but I mostly want to use it just to kind of go around the edges of this first shade I used. Then I'm going to take a concealer brush from e.l.f. and go in with the shade Power Chords, and I will be spraying my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to start pressing this on this outer half of my eye, or lid. That shade kind of matches my brush. Didn't plan that, just grabbed a brush out of my little brush holder. And on that same brush, I'm going in with the shade Spike Stud, and I'll spray my brush again with some setting spray. And we'll place that shade on the beginning portion of my lid. It's really pretty. Now I'm just going to do my other eye off camera right quick and go ahead and do like my lashes and stuff, and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. Okay, the lashes I'm wearing are from Ioni. These are their 3D faux mink lashes from their Book of Familiars collection, the Wispy Long Flare. They just come in a packaging like that. And I'm going to take the shade Shred on a small angled brush from e.l.f. And I am going to spray my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to run that all along my lower lash line. I just really wanted to use that shade. Thought it looked really pretty. And here is the eye look all done. Okay, and there you have this finished look. Now, just right quick, what's on the rest of my face, I will have everything listed and linked for you below, but for my blush, I am wearing the Glossier Cloud Paint Seamless Cheek Color in the shade Puff. I just have this little sample card that I got in a Sephora order, and it was this shade right here, the shade Puff, which is so pretty and soft, and I love it. I'm going to add that to my wish list for the future because I love how soft that shade is. Of course, now, they didn't give you a lot in this little sample, so that could have also helped make it more softer, but it's so pretty. And then right quick, what's on my lips is the Tower 28 one-liner, multi-liner in the shade Draw Me. I just drew this around my lips and then took a brush and kind of just blended it all over my lips, so that's all I'm wearing there. But I do actually really like this palette. I know when it first came out, people, were picking on it. People kind of pick on Urban Decay, which I mean, to each their own, but I've always had good luck with Urban Decay's formula. I think it's really easy to work with. I think it's hard to mess their formula up, and it's just, I don't know, I just really like this look. I love that silver and that plum color together. It's so, so pretty. So I definitely want to dig back into this palette and especially use this more gold shade. I really want to see that all over the lid as well. But I do hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I hope you will please consider leaving a like, a comment, or subscribing if you haven't already. And please make sure to follow me over on Instagram at Jessica Dearly, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!